Hello and welcome to another update video about Link. Link is back in the support zone, or at least it was tested again. We already saw in the last couple of days when I provided updates about Link that this rally from the Sunday low, or was it the Monday low? Yeah, from the Monday low, when the price had bottomed at around $11.80, that rally was only corrective. It's a clear three-wave move. I mean, looking at the short term here, I mean, we are exploring the idea that the larger wave 2 correction that started in March, obviously, you know, it could be complete already, right? It might have bottomed, the price might have bottomed in wave 2 to start a larger degree third wave rally here on 5th of July. I don't believe it yet, you know, but I show you what we need to see to get more confidence, which is the yellow wave count. But for me, this is not impulsive enough to the upside. Happy to be impressed. But let's first get above that green breakout line at $14.75, which hasn't happened yet. And yeah, this initial move up was kind of promising. Look, this possible 5-wave move up, and we had a dip into support and we saw that reaction. That's all good until here everything went well, but then this was only a 3-wave move. So I already highlighted to you, there are a few options that we could still explore if the price fails to break out directly. Like one of them is here, this the idea of this as a diagonal pattern, but then the wave 1 would be corrective, right? So maybe this is an ABC, just not a clear one then. Bear in mind that 5-wave movements on the micro level are often a bit unreliable, and too unreliable on a smaller scale to be relevant. So really this 5-wave move is going to be relevant. And it's possible then to call that an ABC structure, even though it's an ugly one. The wave 3 could be an ABC structure. And then we could now be moving up from this region in wave C of 3. Then we would get a wave 4, and wave 5 would also be an ABC structure. Now, since this correction started back in March, actually, here, the market has not been able to form a 5-wave pattern to the upside. So that's why I'm insisting on that. We need to see that, or I cannot confirm a low is in place. So a temporary low, a local low, that can always happen. You know, we can always rally correctively, but there is no impulsive rally at the moment. Also, the rally from the intraday low today, basically, is just in 3 waves. So there is not really any confirmation of a low in place. But if that turns into a micro 5-wave move, yeah, then this could be the start of wave C, because bear in mind, the C wave is also a 5-wave move. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So yellow wave 1 of C of 3 could be a micro 5-wave pattern. But it's only 3 waves now, so it's not, you know, time to get excited yet. Well, another option would be, because this initial rally really looks like a 5-wave move up, that this indeed is a wave 1. And we're now still in a wave 2. Maybe we've bottomed already or get one more low, but this would then be a running flat, which would even be more bullish than an annoying diagonal pattern. But that would be quite bullish, because then we have 5 waves up in wave 1. I would like that. I really like that idea, because 5 waves up, it looks like a 5-wave move up. I can always be wrong about that assessment. Well, it does look like it. It is what it is. But the market needs to prove that. So we then had maybe an A wave down, an overshooting B wave, and this could be a C wave down. So bottom line is, you know, as long as we're holding that orange support region, higher prices are possible, either as a diagonal or as an impulse with a flat correction in wave 2. So, but if we break below 1148, that's the 78.6 retracement of the rally that happened between the 5th and the 6th of July. Well, then we're likely going to test those lower regions. $10.32 is the next support then, and we would get one more low, and the market could then reattempt to rally, right? I'm just not convinced yet. This just looks too weak to me. But again, maybe a running flat, or just like a flat correction is forming in that wave 2 correction, and we can still move higher. So 1148 is here the key level. Now, when can we say that possibly at least a local low has formed here and we're starting the next move up? Well, with a break above $13.15, we would have at least an initial breakout indication. That's obviously here the Thursday high. And then we can watch for higher prices, obviously, as per the yellow count. That's my update about Link. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.